What is up, guys? It's Nick again, and today I want to show you guys how to buy and sell cryptocurrency through the Coinbase app. Now, cryptocurrency has been something that a lot of people have been getting into over the past year, and it's something that I would love to show you how to do and get your foot in the door and go over how to make your first purchase in crypto. Now, there's actually 4 different ways to buy crypto on the Coinbase app, but I'm going to go over the top 2 easiest and best ways to get your money in there. I'm also going to go over the fees that you're gonna pay through both methods, if there's any fees at all. So stick with it and let's get right into it. Now, the first method is simply just going to be using your bank's debit card. And the second method is going to be linking your bank directly. Once you get it in there, you can start buying and selling your crypto instantly. Now, if you guys haven't already signed up for Coinbase, I'll be linking my referral code down in the description below. You will get a small bonus when you sign up, and it's a great way to help me out and support my channel as well. Now, the first thing you want to do after you sign up for Coinbase and do the whole verification process, which takes from a few hours all the way up to a few days, depending on where you are, is open your app and go to settings. Now you can see here that it says payment methods, and you want to add a payment method. Either link your bank account through the whole verification process. You can sign in right to your bank account through the app. It's safe and secure to do it that way. It's one of my favorite ways to do it. Or you can put in your debit card as well into the app. But as you can see here, I have 3 payment methods linked so far, which is my debit card, my actual checking account, and a PayPal account. But we're just gonna be going over the first 2 right here. So as you can see here, I have my debit card linked as the first payment method, and it has a small limit of $5,000. Yes, that might seem like a lot to some people, especially when you're starting to get in. But compared to my normal checking account, which has a $100,000 limit, it is quite a difference if you're trying to move a large amount of crypto. Now, the favorite one that I use is, of course, the checking account transfer, which is free to do. And as soon as you do the amount and you pay with it, you can use your crypto instantly. You can buy and sell with it. Now, my debit card, on the other hand, has a smaller limit, but it's still good to get you started. The only thing with that is that you do pay a fee when you use it. So that's the only thing you have to be aware of. If you guys can link your checking account, it's going to be the best method and my favorite because it's free and instant. So pretty much when you have everything linked, now you're all set to buy some crypto, the exciting part. So you can go back over to home and you can choose a cryptocurrency that you want to get started in. Now, for this example, I'm just going to be buying a small amount of Bitcoin. Just tap on the Bitcoin symbol right here in your watch list and scroll down and click trade. And then after that, you're going to want to do is buy BTC. And you want to put in a small amount to buy. I'll just put in $10. There it is. And you can, of course, select the different payment methods here, which is debit card, checking account, and PayPal, as well as a wire transfer, which I don't think a lot of people usually use. That's kind of a rarity. But for this one, like I said, I'm going to use my checking account and I'm going to go to preview buy. So what you're going to see here is the order preview page. It's going to show you how much Bitcoin you're actually going to buy. It's going to see the current Bitcoin price. It's going to see the payment method and how much you're actually purchasing. Of course, there is going to be a fee on the blockchain network that Coinbase will charge you to buy the actual cryptocurrency, which you're only going to get about $9 worth of the Bitcoin right now, and they're gonna charge you a 99-cent fee. And as you can see here, like I said before, it says want to send your Bitcoin instantly. You can send it fully instantly, which is pretty cool. This transaction can't be reversed. Make sure you keep enough money in your bank account for this, of course. And the last thing we can do here is the buy now, which we're gonna do right now. And there you go, the order was submitted and you should be all set with your Bitcoin. As you can see, it's been updated in my portfolio and I do have that $9 of Bitcoin right here. And as you can see, it's that easy to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Now to go ahead and pay with your debit card is going to pretty much be the same method. You can scroll down to your Bitcoin again and click down to trade. and buy BTC. And all you have to do is select your card and go through the whole process as well. But I'm not actually going to go and buy more crypto with my card because it's pretty much the same process. Just select what payment method you want to use and check out the fees and go from there. So now that we have our crypto, sometimes you might want to sell it. Say it goes really high and you want to take out some profits, or if it starts going really low and you want to take out your money before you lose a lot. I'll show you how to do that right now. So here we are back again at our portfolio page, and let's scroll down to that Bitcoin once again and scroll down to trade. Now select sell BTC and put in the amount that we want to sell. In this case, I'm gonna sell the max amount, which is really easy. And as you can see that we're selling it for about $9, and they're going to charge that 99-cent fee once again to do it. And all you have to do is click sell now. And there we go. We have successfully sold all of our Bitcoin, and that's pretty much it. It's really simple to buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. Now say that you want to withdraw your funds to your bank, you can click withdraw funds and go ahead and withdraw that money pretty much instantly that you just bought and sold. And here we go. Just type in how much we want to transfer out, preview withdrawal. You have an option to do it instantly to your debit card, which they charge a little fee. It says here 55 cents for me. Or for free, we can do it to my checking account, which I like to do unless it's a rush. And here it goes. Here's all the information. Confirm withdrawal and withdrawal now. And there you go. Your withdrawal has been sent. And that's pretty much how simple it is to do the whole withdrawal process and get that money that you made, or a little bit of money that you lost. Hopefully you made some money on your Bitcoin transaction or whatever transaction you did. And that's pretty much it. So guys, I personally like using Coinbase to do all my crypto buying and selling. Of course, there's a bunch of other different websites out there that you can use as well. But another little trick that I like to use is first download the Coinbase app. The normal one has a blue symbol with the white C, and that one will get you started with a normal Coinbase account. And then once you have that account, you can do some basic transactions in there, and just the whole layout of that app is very simple. But they also have another app called Coinbase Pro, which is a lot lower fees, and it's a little bit more professional in the whole layout and what you can do. But the best part about it is here that you don't pay those high fees that you do on Coinbase, the normal app. So as you can see here, I have my little portfolio here, and it's just a whole different layout, and you have everything here a little bit different. And I have my orders. Yeah, and it's just a little bit more in depth and a little bit more kind of complicated to use. But that's not a bad thing because all the money you're going to be saving with using the Coinbase Pro, and you can use all your credentials that you use in the normal Coinbase to log into Coinbase Pro. They're the same exact company, just different platforms to do a little bit different stuff. And as well as you can transfer all your crypto from the normal Coinbase over to the Pro instantly, no fees, since it's the same, pretty much the same platform. It goes right over pretty easily. So that's another little trick that I use to save some money when I'm buying crypto. Now guys, just as a word of warning, if you're new to buying and selling crypto, that you start pretty small, that you don't just throw all your life savings into crypto. Yes, this is not financial advice as a disclaimer, but from my personal advice, don't just throw in $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. Always be willing to put in money that you might lose. Of course, we always want the crypto to go up in value. That's the whole point of it. But of course, the markets are always going up and down, and you just have to be aware of the different markets that you're investing into. I would suggest doing your research on different crypto coins that you want to invest in and that you might want to stand behind and hold for a long time and really see your money increase in value. So guys, hopefully this video was very informative and it helped you buy your first cryptocurrency ever. If you want, leave a comment down below of what was your first crypto that you bought and how much you bought of it. and how it's been going for you so far. As always, don't forget to give the video a nice thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.